We don't have that much time left. Let's talk rocket ships. First, Bitcoin. That falls into that category because that's what that is. 39,000. Where's it going?
Where is it going? It's probably going to 100, then 150, then 200,000. In what period? I don't know. 5 years, 10 years, but it's going there.
Well, alrighty then. Bitcoin is hitting all-time highs. This is going nuts. Time to teach you guys how to buy Bitcoin, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So stay tuned.
I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Alejandro Romo, and in this channel we talk about investing, personal finance, and all things money. So yeah, Bitcoin is breaking all-time highs. It just hit about 40,000 a couple hours ago, and I want to make this video to show you guys how you guys can get Bitcoin. There's different ways you can get Bitcoin. You can use a lot of different apps, a lot of different exchanges, even Bitcoin ATMs. I'm going to show you guys how to buy Bitcoin right now. I'm also going to show you guys how to send out your Bitcoin into your own wallet. I have my Trezor right here. I'm going to be sending my Bitcoin that I buy right now into my wallet. And yeah, it's time to secure that Bitcoin. So by far, the most common way people buy Bitcoin, the most common way that I've seen people post on their YouTube channel to buy Bitcoin is through Coinbase. I myself use Coinbase as well, but I don't use the Coinbase that they use. I use Coinbase Pro. What's the difference? Well, not much. Well, a lot of much. First, the fees are a big difference. The typical fee would be about 1.5% on regular Coinbase. Now, if you're using Coinbase Pro actually only charges you a 0.50% fee. Coinbase Pro is different also in the sense that it's more of a trading platform than just a simple buy and hold or sell type of app. Right here, you're going to see those candles, the green candles, the red candles, and all those little pretty numbers flashing over and over. This is the easiest place to buy Bitcoin, and it's the cheapest place for you to buy Bitcoin if you're going to use Coinbase. Alright, so let's go into my Cryptoverse folder so I can show you guys how to buy Bitcoin right now. So click on Cryptoverse folder. Now, on the top right there, you can see Coinbase Pro in black and Coinbase Regular in blue. So the difference here is, again, the Coinbase Pro is the trading version, and the regular Coinbase is the basic version. It looks more sleek, more pleasable to the eyes, and more simpler looking. But anyways, let's go to Coinbase Pro. We're going to be buying $100 right now worth of Bitcoin. Face ID. Right here, it's always going to be the top one. When you're using USD to Bitcoin, make sure you have the BTC USD pair right here. Click on the top one. Then you're going to go to buy. I have $1,000 in the account, and I have 0.12 Bitcoin in this account right now. So hit buy. You're going to switch right here from limit to market on the very top. And the difference here is limit orders say that you want to buy Bitcoin at a specific price and for a certain amount. The market one executes the transaction at whatever price it can get when you activate that buy button. So right now it's at $39,470. I'm going to put $100 and I'm going to preview the order. It's at 486. They're charging me 35 cents in fees. Place buy order. Okay, there, it finally showed it right there. So I bought 0.00252 Bitcoin at 39,500. So it sold it to me at a higher price because the Bitcoin price probably hit that price when it finally triggered the sale. But now I have an extra $100 in Bitcoin in my Coinbase Pro account. Alright, so now that you bought your Bitcoin on Coinbase Pro, we're going to transfer that money from Coinbase Pro to the regular Coinbase. The only reason I'm going to do that is because it's easier to do it that way if you're going to try to scan a QR code, because other than that, on Coinbase Pro you need to type it in, and you don't want to mess that up. If you messed up that wallet that you're sending that Bitcoin to, you're probably going to lose that Bitcoin forever. So at the very bottom of the Coinbase Pro app, you're going to see the little pie. You're going to click on the little pie. You're going to hit withdraw. You're going to hit BTC, and you're going to hit right here to Coinbase.com. So I'm going to transfer, let's see, what was it, 0.002, let's just say 250. And then I'm gonna hit withdraw BTC. Done. And we're gonna back out, go to the regular Coinbase app. It should be there. It's at $98.60 is what I transferred over. Go to portfolio, click Bitcoin. It's right there. And we're gonna want to send it out. Okay, so let me get my Trezor. Right now it's locked. For those that own a Trezor, there's this new application called the Trezor Suite. I'm not really sure how new it is, but I've been using this for a little bit. So I have right here my Trezor. I'm going to unlock it right now on my Trezor. It's verifying the PIN. I'm verified. I want to go to accounts. So I'm gonna go right here to accounts, and then I'll go slowly over here because I don't want to reveal my balance, and hit do not deposit. Hit the one that you want to deposit on, and then hit receive. So I'm gonna hit receive, show full address. I'm going to confirm it on the Trezor. On the Trezor, it just shows the wallet address. I'm just going to hit confirm. It's been confirmed. So after you transfer it over from Coinbase Pro, go to Coinbase.com or the Coinbase app. Right here, we're right here in Bitcoin already. You can see that I have the $98.82, and I want to transfer all of this over to my Trezor. So I'm going to hit the little airplane on the very top right. I'm put send all BTC, hit continue, not now, and right here the little QR code, you hit the little QR code, you scan the receiving address, and you verify it again. Look on the app, look on the Trezor, and see if it's all the same. That way you don't lose your Bitcoin. It looks the same to me. Hit the Bitcoin right there. I'm going to get probably a total of $98.62 added. So $97.41. Okay, so $97.41. This is how much I'm going to get charged in fees. Estimated time about 30 minutes. Hit send now. So let's authenticate this through the Google verification. Coinbase. Alright. It has been sent. So just hit done. Right there it says it's pending, and yeah, we'll get right back into it once it shows up on my Trezor. Alright, so right now I'm gonna click on overview. That way you can go back to the whole view of the whole account. Hit overview, and we are still on my master account. That's what I named it myself. But anyways, you can go right here to transactions, and this is the transaction right here. Receiving Bitcoin. How much am I receiving? 0.24693 coming from this wallet address. Again, I have it all blurred like this because I don't want nobody to know my Bitcoin holdings. But see, 125, it's 126. Took about a minute for it to show up from Coinbase to the Trezor. Right now it's still pending. It's waiting for confirmation on the blockchain, but it'll happen within now to 30 minutes and it should clear. So again, there is a lot of different ways for you to buy Bitcoin. You gotta buy Bitcoin somewhere where you feel comfortable buying it to begin with, somewhere where they're gonna have cheap fees, somewhere where they're gonna allow you to withdraw your Bitcoin and sell your Bitcoin, and somewhere where they have higher limits too when it comes to maybe even withdrawing. For example, something like CashAPP. CashAPP has very strict withdrawals, but they also don't charge you any fees when you withdraw. So for like CashAPP, you're limited to only withdrawing $2,000 worth of Bitcoin per day, but up to only $5,000 per week. As opposed to somebody like Binance, their withdrawal limit is $1 million in a 24-hour period. That's crazy. I know The average person is not going to be withdrawing $1 million, but the ability to be able to withdraw $1 million is pretty awesome. I don't use Binance, and Binance is a pretty good site to use because of their maker-taker fee is only 0.1%. Coinbase Pro uses 0.5%, so it's 80% cheaper to buy on Binance than to buy on Coinbase Pro. So you might want to check out Binance. Another reason I don't use Binance is in 2017 I got wrecked on Binance, but I got wrecked on Binance because I bought $2,500 worth of Tron TRX. It was at like 25 cents a coin.
Buy my shitcoin.
Is Tron a valid coin or a shitcoin?
Shitcoin.
And yeah, let's not talk about that. But that's the only reason I don't use Binance. But I might start getting into Binance now since I found out it does have a 0.1% fee. Do your research, find out where you can get your Bitcoin, and make sure to invest in a hardware wallet to store your Bitcoin, because that's the safest place you can have your Bitcoin. Like I said, you also want to avoid using exchanges that don't let you take out your Bitcoin. For example, Robinhood, PayPal, and I believe SoFi are 3 different places where you can buy Bitcoin and other crypto, and you don't have access to it like you technically do if you buy it on a Coinbase. They are custodial of your Bitcoin and crypto, and if something bad happens, it's really on them, and there's nothing that you can do because not your keys, not your crypto. Get your keys, keep your crypto, buy a Trezor, stay safe, stay positive. Peace. Oh yeah, and until next time, let's get this money. Give me some likes, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Peace.